What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see by the title, we are doing a 5,000 subscriber giveaway. Just wanted to start this video by saying thank you to the OGs, to the new subscribers, to the homies that have been supporting my channel, even if it's just dropping a like or leaving a comment. Shout out to you guys for watching. I'm super humble and super thankful for 5,000 subscribers. I can't believe 5,000 of you guys or even 1,000 of you guys wanted to watch my channel in the first place. So shout out to you guys for watching. I owe it all to you guys. I do this for you guys. I say this in every video now. The growth on the channel has been unreal. The likes, the views, the comments. I appreciate all of you guys who are supporting. Locals, my OG friends, new people from Instagram. I appreciate you guys clicking on this video. I hope that you guys subscribe for future content. But yeah, I can't believe we're at 5K. It all started with me watching Brian, Keys Motorsports, my boy John, Thick F30, and finding Nick. And I knew I wanted to start my own channel. I just didn't know when. I finally picked up my iPhone and my GoPro when I got my F80 and started putting out a video once a week, and that was in 2021. And in 2022 I made it a personal goal of mine to up the videos to about 2 videos a week, which I've stayed true for a long time actually. There's been a couple weeks here and there, but you know, life happens. But 2 videos a week has really ramped up my channel. The growth has just been insane. I'm having a blast though. I love making content for you guys. It's such a fun hobby of mine. I hope you guys really enjoy the videos. The up in quality over the past couple years, from my iPhone to my GoPro to the Canon G7X to now what you guys see, which is the Sony a7 III. For the OG subscribers, I hope you've enjoyed watching the progress over the years. I definitely have enjoyed upping the quality for you guys. Sometimes I even go back and see my OG videos with the GoPro and the iPhone and the terrible sound quality and video quality. And shout out to you guys if you watched back then. We definitely leveled up. But before I get into the giveaway details, I again just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. 5K is just a number. It is a milestone for sure. But after 5K, there's 10K, and then it only gets bigger from there. 20K, 30K, 50K, 100K. The sky's the limit. We set high goals here on this channel and in my life in general, and you just go out and conquer them. If you guys are wanting to start your own channel or that you've always wanted to do in your life, I think you should just start now and just go for it. I did that with vlogging. It definitely doesn't come natural, and it definitely takes some time getting used to. I'm still getting used to being on the camera, but you know, I enjoy the process. But as I was saying, if you guys want to start your own YouTube channel, go out and freaking do it. It really isn't that bad once you get going. You'll watch yourself back and cringe a little bit, but hey, those moments are what define you. So it's all about being consistent and all about just putting in the time, dedication. If you really wanted to start a YouTube channel, it's just about the grind, the mentality, and just being consistent. It's all about consistency and just starting and doing it. So that's my advice to you guys. I'm no big YouTuber by any means. I'm just telling you guys what has worked for me. I'm glad that I started doing these videos for you guys with my F80. I couldn't imagine actually where we would have been if I started with my F30, but hey, you gotta start somewhere, and I'm super glad to have taken you guys on the journey with my F80. But anyways guys, my name is Viet, otherwise known as F80 Ho. If you're new here, I make F80 and BMW content, and I cover a lot of things BMW related in the Central Florida area, so I invite you to hit that subscribe button. But that's enough of me rambling around. I want to thank you guys for watching. Let's get into the details of the 5K giveaway. So before we get into the rest of the video, let's get straight into the giveaway details. Some of you guys might have guessed it, but we are partnering up again with my favorite company and brand to work with on this channel, and that's Simply Carbon Fiber. I reached out to the team at Simply Carbon Fiber, and they've been super great to work with. So I reached out to them when I was approaching 5,000 subscribers and asked if we could do a 5K giveaway for you guys, and of course they said yeah, let's do it. And so the details of the giveaway are, we are going to be giving away 3 $75 gift cards to 3 of you guys. So all you guys have to do is make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. Of course, you guys are subscribed here on YouTube, and then all you have to do is comment your Instagram, and if you don't have an Instagram, just leave a comment and say something dope, and then you'll be entered in the random raffle that we're going to be doing. I think I'm gonna have this giveaway open for 1 week, so check back next Wednesday. Hopefully I'll have a video by then. We'll record it for you guys so you guys know it's legit. So huge shout out to Simply Carbon Fiber for not only sponsoring this channel, but working with me to do a giveaway for you guys for 5,000. You already know we're gonna do another one when we hit 10K, so sky's the limit. But I wanted to show you guys everything that Simply Carbon Fiber has has sent me out and that I use on a daily basis. I got my phone case right here from my iPhone 12, my beautiful forged carbon watch, my carbon fiber money clip and wallet, and then also my carbon fiber sunglasses. All of these products fit my lifestyle as a car enthusiast, and if you guys are watching this channel, it'll probably fit yours as well. I'll put some pictures of their website on the screen now. They have watches, phone cases, jewelry, wallets, and other accessories catered towards car enthusiasts like you and me. So make sure you guys check them out. They are having a Father's Day sale right now. But yeah, we're gonna be doing 3 winners, and they're each gonna win $75 for the Simply Carbon Fiber website. So again, all you guys have to do is make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, of course. You guys are subscribed here on YouTube, and then all you have to do is comment down below your Instagram or a positive comment, and yeah, you'll be entered in the random giveaway. I absolutely love all of my Simply Carbon Fiber gear and accessories. Again, I use them on a daily basis, but shout out to them for not only sponsoring this channel, but for sponsoring the 5,000 subscriber giveaway. Again, this giveaway is free, guys. All you gotta do is enter. I'll leave the instructions again in the description below. But yeah, huge shout out to them. Make sure you guys check out their website. I guarantee you guys will find something that you'll like. Every time I bring out the watch, the wallet, my phone case, or my sunglasses in public, one of the homies or someone that I know always gives me a compliment on them. So good luck to anybody who enters. Again, I'm probably gonna open this up for 1 week. So I think that's June 22nd or so, which is also the following Wednesday. We'll make a follow-up video to this announcing the giveaway winner, and the winners will be announced in that video. We'll do a random YouTube comment generator or something like that, and then we'll just spin the wheel and see what happens. I can't wait to see who wins, and yeah, thank you guys for 5,000. Now let's get into the rest of this video. Got the F80 actually cleaned up because I plan on taking my wheels off tomorrow, all 4 of them at the same time, putting on F30 skirts wheels. And we're gonna do a full deep clean with iron remover, brake buster, similar to when we did the first ceramic coating video for these HREs. We're gonna be taking all 4 wheels off tomorrow, so while the car is gonna be sitting without wheels, I wanted to clean it up. As you guys can see here, that paint is glistening, yo. Shout out to Hands On Detailing yet again for the ceramic coat job. This was actually my first touchless wash since he came over last weekend and did a full detail himself, and I was super amazed with just how easy it is to clean the car now. It's such a breeze just drying the car and even seeing the water run off. I was even able to use the Craftsman that my fiance got me, which isn't that high powered, but even that little leaf blower was able to blow all the water off because of the hydrophobic ceramic coating. So yeah, just give you guys one walk around of how the car cleans up. It's insane. That ceramic coating video will probably be out next week because I'm going to take my time on that, but I do have another video planned in the meantime, so stay tuned for Friday's release. Before I wrap up this video though, I wanted to give you guys one more update. We are trying to clean up the garage a little bit, the man cave. We already got the mini split going. We got the home gym over here, but I wanted to share with you guys one of the coolest garage mods that I got so far, and that's going to be, as you guys probably already saw in the B-roll, these neon lights that say F80 ho on them. This is so dope. Shout out to the Daily Driven and F30 Skirt. I saw this neon lighting on both of their channels, and I knew for sure that I needed one for my garage, especially since I'm vlogging in here all the time, and it's also my office and home gym. I think having something like this lit up, especially with all the other lighting that I have around here, it's just gonna go so well in the garage. I opted for the 20-inch sign. Again, I got this off of Amazon. I'll leave it linked in the description below. I can't wait to put this on. It came with instructions and mounting hardware, which I already put on the wall. So all that's left is to put this in, screw it on, and then plug in the cord, and I'll show you guys the finished product. Let's go. That looks so sick. Let me turn off the lights for you guys and let's see what it looks like illuminated. So this is what my garage looks like most of the times while I'm working. I like to have it dark, and then I like to change the colors up top to whatever I'm in the mood for. But I opted for the purple neon sign, and here we go. 3, 2, 1. Damn, that's freaking sick. You can adjust how bright you want it. Damn, I don't know if it's coming through on the camera, but that is bright as hell. And it looks so good. Holy. I love the vibe that it's giving off, and I love the cursive lettering. It just looks so sick. Yeah, camera definitely doesn't do it justice, but as you guys can see here, that is so sick. Definitely recommend one for your man cave or your garage. Also, going along with cleaning up the garage and, you know, some of the stuff that's on the wall over here, your boy also has a Future Classic poster coming in. I think I got the biggest one that they got, so it should be as big as this flag. That should be coming in pretty soon. I got it I fully custom, so that's gonna tie in the man cave so well. But yeah, this is kind of like a 5K gift to myself, and also the future classic poster, because I just wanted to spice up the garage, make it more of a man cave than it already is. But yeah, super happy with this Amazon purchase. I will definitely leave it linked down below. But yeah, we'll try to set this up maybe in the background of my intros or something, if we can get the lighting correct. You guys can see a little bit better with the lights turned on. Yes sir. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for the 5K giveaway announcement video. I still can't believe we're at 5K subscribers. Thanks to all of you guys watching. Thanks for all the support as of lately, and thank you to all the new subscribers as well as the OG ones. We are going to continue to ramp up the content. We're going to continue to just put out high quality BMW and automotive content for you guys. If you're new here and you're just coming for that giveaway, I mean, go for it, enter the giveaway, but I invite you to watch a couple of my other videos and hit that subscribe button as well. If you're coming from Instagram and didn't even know that I do YouTube, where you been? Hit that subscribe button, yo. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys hit that like button, that subscribe button. Comment down below your IG, comment down below something positive, and you can be entered into this Simply Carbon Fiber $75 gift card giveaway. Again, we're choosing 3 winners. All you have to do is make sure you're following me on Instagram, a subscriber to my YouTube channel, and then comment down your Instagram name down below. We'll pick a winner next week. Stay tuned for that video. But thank you guys again from the bottom of my heart. 5K, let's get to 10K, let's get to 100K, and maybe a million one day, who knows. We'll catch you on the next one, guys. Take care. Peace.